Okay, good afternoon, Year 12 single mathematicians. Just going to go through a question that was requested from exercise 11D on page 190, question 6. Okay, question 6, you get a formula for the velocity of something moving along a straight line. V equals 12 plus t subtract t squared. They tell you when t is equal to 0, the displacement is 0, and you're asked to find the distance of P from O when V is equal to 0. So many ways to do this, but the first thing I would say is that is another way of saying find the displacement. And we're asked to find the displacement at a particular point when V is equal to 0. Now we can work out a formula for displacement, but that formula would be in terms of t, not v. So we have to find the time when v is equal to 0 first. So when v is equal to 0, 12 plus t minus 6t squared is equal to 0. And if you make that look like a quadratic with positive t squared at the start, it look like this. And then you can factorize this. What would this factorize into? Let's have a look. So we're looking for product of negative 72 and a sum of minus 1. Just trying to think of two numbers which times together to give you 72, but add together to give you minus 1. So that would be minus 9 and 8. So 6t squared minus 9t plus 8t minus 12. 0 equals, factorize both halves, 3t, 2t minus 3, plus 4, 2t minus 3, to give you 3t plus 4, 2t minus 3. So either t is equal to negative 4/3 or t is equal to 3/2. And it'd have to be 3/2 because t is bigger than or equal to 0. Can't have a negative time. And now we've worked out the time. We just need to work out the formula for displacement. So s equals integral of v with respect to t. So integrating 12 plus t subtract 6t squared with respect to t, which would go to 12t plus a half t squared minus 2 t cubed plus c. Now need to work out the plus c, and that was the original thing given there. When t is equal to 0, we assume s is equal to 0. So when t is 0, s is 0, and if you substituted 0 into all of this, you'd get c is equal to 0. So in other words, s equals 12t plus a half t squared minus 2t cubed, and you want to work out this displacement when t is equal to 3/2, and s would be 12 3/2s plus a half 3/2 squareds minus 2 3/2 cubed, and then type that into your calculator to get 12 3/2s plus a half 3/2 squareds minus 2 3/2 cubes to give you 12.375 meters would be my answer to that, and that is it.